In this video, I am going to show you a new feature in Genesis Now, which is the ability to have your policies cancel automatically based on the expiration date. Now I'm going to show you how you turn this feature on and off. So if we go down to our agency and all locations, we're going to click on our location. And then over on the right-hand side, you're going to scroll down to our location options. And this is where you will find this feature. So right here, the enable policy cancellations, you can turn this on or off. I have it on. So when I have a policy that is expiring, I had marked this one as expired on 6/16, and the next day I came in and it was automatically marked as canceled. So you do have the ability to turn this on or off as to whether you want to use it or not. If you have any questions, let us know.